So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I will be showing you how to open up a guaranteed investment account or a GIC account here on a Tangerine Bank. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press accounts, then scroll down and then select open an account, or you can explore the products this way. But for this example, I'll just press open an account. Once you're here, this top bar, slide it to where it says GICs, then select it. Then just scroll down under GICs to where it says guaranteed investment. You can go ahead and read more about it if you want to press the arrow. If this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and press add accounts, and then press continue. And then if you want to proceed with the opening up of the guaranteed investment account or the GIC account, press continue, follow the steps that follow, and then you can open it up that way. So pretty simple, but that's how you guys can open a guaranteed investment account or a GIC account here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.